made high-risk chance showers and thunderstorms for northern extended forecast for the central lake. Rain 50% cloudy with sun showers or thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 80s. Sunday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. The forecast for North